Amigo! I need your help!
Amigo?
Johnny and his goons were hassling me about Algie. That guy's gone even crazier. He thinks Algie is trying to put the moves on his girl.
Algie and Lola?
I know! It's crazy! Everyone knows Algie likes blondes. Listen, find Algie and get him back here until Johnny comes to his senses.
Where is he?
I don't know. I know he was working on a math project for Hattrick with Cornelius. Maybe he knows where Algie is.
Who?
Cornelius. You know, the scrawny kid in the acting club. He did an amazing Juliet in the school play. I think he has a 4.0 grade point average.
Leave me alone, you brutes!
Where's Algie, you walking beanpole?
He's at the pizza parlor, okay? Please let me go now.
Come on,
told you
we
you
know
knew
you know
Algie
where he
was.
is. Shut up, Gary.
Kick his
You
butt.
guys get Algie and bring him to me at the clubhouse. You guys, take care of this pathetic excuse for a human being.
I was hoping you'd say that.
Help me!
Pound your
Please!
face into that.
You've made me really cross now! Take that! And that! Oh, thanks so much, Jimmy. Hey, I was lying when I told Johnny that Algie is at the pizza parlor. You gotta go help him.
Have you ever stolen a freshman's lunch?
Sweet. I feel better now. That hit the spot. Algie, you're in so much trouble with Johnny Vincent and his boys.
So, Chad, honey, listen, it's just $100. That's nothing to a man of your means.
Oh, but Lola, I'd have to steal it off of my father.
Lola, I thought
Will
that me
you
and
shut
you...
up, fatso?
Big boned, not fat.
I thought you liked me. You said you did.
I do. I really do.
Some friend you turned out to be. You must think I'm really cheap. Just a cheap slut. Well, that's it.
No, but Lola, wait.
Smartass.
Ridiculous. Women. Look at you both. You're pathetic.
But I thought she liked me.
I don't believe this. You both better get over it. Listen, we gotta get out of here before Johnny Vincent sees you hanging out with his girlfriend. Algie, you take the girl's bike. Chad, you better pedal for both of us. I got a feeling I'm headed for a fight.
But I was just helping Lola study, honestly. I'm so scared.
What? Well, he's gotta be around here somewhere. Let's go find him.
Algie? On a girl's bike?
Here they come. I'll hold them off. Just try not to crash into anything, Chad. One down.
I'm all geared up to fight.
I'm gonna take you down.
Quit slacking!
I think we lost them.
Good. I'm getting tired. Give me a minute to catch my breath.
It's a trap! It's a trap!
Chad, step on it.
Oh, damn. We're nearly there, Jimmy. Just hold them off a little longer. You can thank me for saving me later, but I seriously can't be seen with you rude.
You're worried about your reputation?
Oh, wonderful! You found him!
Good job, Jimmy. You do have your uses after all.
Well, thanks for all the help, Jimmy. Perhaps you could come over to the observatory and play a game or two of Grottos and Gremlins with us sometime.
No. Hopkins comes through. What's new?
Oh, hi!
You all right?
Jim, go stand over by the bike workstation.
Wait, I don't get to work on cars?
Cars are for seniors. You gotta walk before you can run, boyo. Well, you screwed up there, son. Try again. I guess you're not useless. Good work, Hopkins. Okay, see you next time, Jim.
I should give lessons.
And done.
Hey!
Oh, it's you.
Is that any way to greet your new boss, Harrington? Well, is it?
No.
No what?
No, sir.
That's better. At ease, girls.
Listen, boss, those grease monkeys are making life very difficult for Gord.
That's because Gord was showing one of their girlfriends a good time.
Some leader you turned out to be.
Father says leadership is about looking after those you lead. He taught me that right before he laid everyone off.
So what do you want me to do?
Send them a message all over their dirty little slum.
Why should I?
Because you're the boss.
Exactly. I'm the boss, and I'll go send the message. Look at this. That was not funny. Tell me you can hit harder than that.
I'm ready to call
Give me a hand with that, buddy.
Show me a scout.
Hey, get off!
Go and get it.
Tell me you can hit harder than that.
Use some cunning, Jake.
Not so big now, are you?
How you doing? Remember, always a good price.
get the message. Miss Phillips will be proud. Now that's art.
Somebody is gonna get their freaking lights knocked out.
Who could ever call this art?
That's that nonsense dealt with.
If Johnny finds out, he's gonna...
Help your fellow Bullworth Academy.
Welcome back, everybody. I hope none of you forgot your cameras.
Johnny Vincent's probably the best guy on a bike at home. The stuff he can do is...
Look at the camera.
You're my friend, right?
You're on camera.
Hi! Anyway, I have to go now, sir. Okay, see ya!
Greetings, comrades. Hi.
You know, Jimmy, you have a little bit of a rough edge, but I really think there's something special about you.
Like that. I'm good. That's all there is to it. Fancy a kiss?
Are you asking me on a... date?
I thought you might like these.
Jimmy, you're so nice to me.
Miss Danvers and Mr.
I've got
Galloway.
show some respect.
Oh, please leave me alone.
Ah, Hopkins. Very well, young squire.
Huh?
How are you, young man? Can I offer you a highball?
Yeah, sure.
Actually, maybe you're a little young. Better keep this out of harm's way.
Are you gonna be all right, sir?
It's that pompous ass Patrick. He's bad-mouthing me all around the staff room.
Why?
He keeps calling me a drunk. Says that I am irresponsible. He's trying to get me fired. He's trying to turn Miss Phillips against me.
Well, sir, when people say bad things about what I do, I like to prove them wrong.
Really? How? By showing a nobler side of yourself? Rising above it?
No, not exactly. I like to show that they massively underestimated the force that they were dealing with. and then really give him something to complain about.
Ah, the treacherous Machiavel. I love it.
Good. Me too. all right.
Of course I love you, Johnny.
No, you don't.
Love is complicated.
That didn't seem complicated between you and that Gordo kid. I'm gonna kill him!
Johnny, please! We've been over that. He's sweet, but it was so innocent.
Get off.
Oh, I love it when you get angry, Johnny. I really do. You're so bestial. Hey, Jimmy.
Hey,
What are you doing here?
looking for you, Johnny.
At Lola's house?
Yeah.
Be nice to each other. You know what I like about you two? You're both so straightforward, so quick to judge, so fast.
Ain't no one fast like me.
Really? So you could beat Jimmy in a race?
Definitely.
I heard he was pretty fast.
This little twerp? Give me a break.
Oh, I think we've got a little challenge. I just love challenges. They make me so excited.